100 bands on the blockchain, ain't cash out. Got a diamond hand to the moon kid. Trading moonbeam with a bad bitch. 13 G's in a V-chain. Got a smart chip in a Louis bag. Ledger Nano stacking Polygon Matic. Bust down paddock, eating fresh filet mignon. What a wonderful day to play. We only was next to dead. We tokenized, got the private kids, the bubble lines on the bed.
Good evening, future crypto millionaires. I am your host, Blockchain Wolf. I personally have one of the Ledger Nanos here. I have the Ledger Nano X. This is where I store all of my crypto. Your crypto is going to be safe on here because it's no longer online. The Ledger Nano Stacks will give you more range. You can store crypto and NFTs on this one. Same thing with the Ledger Nano Flex. Ledger Nano Range, you can only store cryptos on there. Do not buy your Ledger Nano or any of your Ledger products off of Amazon or any other website. Do not even buy it from the store. You can't even trust the store. I know a lot of you guys are wondering, okay, what do I need this for? Do I really need it? Yes, you need it. Ledger Nano X is a pocket-sized hardware wallet that seamlessly connects with your smartphone or computer. The main purpose of the crypto hardware wallet, like Ledger Nano, is to protect your cryptocurrency by storing your private keys online and away from online threats.
Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Ledger Nano X cryptocurrency hardware wallet.
When this video is over, go to the link in description. I'm going to link the Crypto Dad in description. He's going to teach you everything you need to know about setting up your ledger. Never give anybody your private keys. A private key is a unique, randomly generated code that allows users access to manage their cryptocurrency. Do not give anybody your 24-word phrase, because if they have that phrase and they have your ledger, they have your money.
So with that being said, guys, I'm going to say this one time and one time only. Don't be a dummy. Get some money.
5, 4, 3, 2, moon rocks, moon booze, yeah. Blockchain, 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 man.